How to change your debit card spending limit via digibank online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then change your debit card spending limit via digibank online. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, you can do this process via the digibank mobile application, but we've already made a video on that if you think that is convenient for you. For this one, just log into the official portal website of digibank, for which I will also leave the link in the description box. Once you've gone to the website, enter your user ID as well as a PIN in order to log into your iBanking or your digibank online account. Once you log into your account, first you have to authenticate the process from a notification which is sent to your phone. So go to your digibank app and tap on digital token next to the login button. So just go ahead and then tap on it. Once you approve it, within 55 seconds you will see this kind of interface. Now at the very top, you have to hover your mouse over the card section. Once you hover your mouse pointer over the card section, scroll down and select the option that says change debit card limit. So as you can see right over here, so if you want to change the limit for a debit card, just click on it. As you click on it, you will see this kind of interface. Now you can simply select a new limit. First, just select the card for which you want to change the limit for, and then simply specify the new daily card limit over here. You can also be able to see the existing daily card limit. Once you enter the new one, just click on the next button, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as soon as you've done that, you'll see this kind of interface which says you to confirm it. So you'll see all the details such as a debit card and your existing card limit and new card limit as well, and just tap on the submit button, which is at the very bottom right hand side of the screen. And this is how you can change your debit card spending limit via digibank online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.